What's up guys? So here we have new Apple Watch Series 4. This is 44mm Sport Edition with aluminum case. It looks tremendous, especially when comparing them with previous Series 3 watches, which have smaller display and they seem to be already outdated. Series 4 display is just incredible. We now have new watch faces which look really cool. Old watch faces are also refreshed and now they look more interesting. For example, this watch face that is familiar to all of us received new design and looks amazing. Watch faces will take your breath away. The fire, the smoke, and the water. And this is not graphics, this is really video of water. Looks gorgeous. The optical sensor is changed on the back of the watches. There are new sensors installed now for more detailed heart rate monitor, but unfortunately we cannot test this function yet as it is still not available. The side button is changed now. The microphone is moved a bit, but in total everything else remains the same, except for getting much better look. Unfortunately I am not able to test it right now and tell you what is new inside, except for the new display, which is really huge now. I will make a full video as soon as I will be able to order them. But what can I tell you now? This is a big step forward. Great upgrade of the watches, and this display makes you want to look at it non-stop. Some people had doubts that the big display will make watches look strange on the hand, but no. As you can see, it is perfect and looks great. Tell me what you think about new Apple Watch Series 4 and do you plan to upgrade? This was Rashad on Arba Tech Reviews. Don't forget to subscribe to get notifications about my new videos. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.